In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit money into Polymarket. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. If this is your first time setting things up here in Polymarket, click the sign up button. These are your options in creating an account. You can provide your business or professional email, and if you want to continue with Google, you can do so. And click the continue button. You will be forwarded to a new page. Now, one of the quickest way to deposit money is click the deposit funds. You will be forwarded here. You have multiple options. You can transfer to crypto, okay? Or you can deposit with card, you can connect exchange, or deposit with PayPal. So you have 4 options. Let's say if you wanted to deposit the first option, which is going to be crypto, you will be forwarded here. Okay, so you just have to provide all these. Now, if you wanted to transfer or deposit with card, you can do so. And you just have to choose the currency, for example, US dollars, and choose the amount that you wanted to deposit. And you just have to choose the provider. For example, MoonPay is going to be the fastest, but of course, you can choose from any of the following: Paybiz, Alchemy Pay, Topper, Binance Connect, and a lot more. Now, if you wanted to use Connect Exchange, that's going to be easy. You can use Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Gemini. And of course, if you want to deposit with PayPal, you can do so, provided that you need to log in with your PayPal account. It's that easy. Let's say you wanted to deposit with your card, provide the currency, provide the dollar. For example, we're going to be depositing a 69 account here, and just follow the on-screen instructions. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.